Iso Cappotto, the Isocolor thermal insulation system, is used for the external coating of new and old buildings according to the regulations for the adaptation of energy efficiency. It allows you to increase the energy performance of a building by reducing heating and cooling costs, improves indoor air quality, and prevents the formation of mold and moisture. The support in reinforced concrete, brick, or plaster must be cured, free of moisture, clean, well cohesive, planar, and free of form release agents. Prepare the Rasacolor adhesive by mixing a 25 kilograms bag of powder with about 5.6 liters of water until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. In the lower part of the surface, we recommend the application of a starting profile equipped with a drip edge on which we will place the first row of panels. For the first 100 centimeters in height, it is recommended to apply an anti-moisture and shock-proof waterproofing panel in XPS extruded polystyrene foam. Cut the slabs with the hot wire cutter according to the needs and geometry of the facade. Apply Rasacolor on at least 40% of the total surface of the insulating panel and install the panel on the facade to be covered. Apply the panels in EPS, sintered expanded polystyrene, in the thickness determined by the designer, applying the Rasacolor adhesive previously mixed with the water. Place the panel with the longer side horizontally and press against the wall. Align perfectly the next panel, and so on. Apply the next rows of EPS panels in a staggered way with respect to the row below until the surface is completely covered. Once Rasacolor is completely dry, proceed with the mechanical anchoring of the panels by inserting appropriate insulation anchors. Drill the EPS and the support in several places following a T pattern, and insert the insulation anchors that will be chosen according to the thickness of the EPS sheet, taking into account that they must be anchored inside the support for at least 3 centimeters. Once all of the facades have been covered with panels, it is essential to reinforce and plaster the surfaces to protect the polystyrene from environmental and atmospheric aggressions. The edges of the facades and corners will be covered with special corner protectors with mesh, gluing them with Rasacolor. Apply a first coat of Rasacolor on the anti-alkaline fiberglass mesh, unrolling it from top to bottom and anchoring it, smoothing with a spatula to the first coat. Surmount each sheet of fiberglass mesh by at least 10 centimeters. On a completely dry surface, apply the second coat of Rasacolor, smoothing evenly so as to perfectly cover the entire net. Allow the skim coat to dry perfectly and apply a coat of ISOFix quartz, a quartz fixative primer with a medium fur roller. Apply ISO ACRIL INTONACO, a flexible, breathable, and water-repellent ready-to-use acrylic coating, which guarantees effective protection from atmospheric agents. Apply ISO ACRIL INTONACO with a steel trowel and then compact with a plastic trowel using circular movements. Iso ACRIL INTONACO can be white or colored with Isocolor tinting system, choosing from the Iso Exteriors color chart. The Isocolor thermal insulation system must be made to perfection and requires a professional qualification before being applied. For this reason, we train and update our applicators through the paintability workshops. Contact us for more information.